Do you guys remember that song that goes,
I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Don't you bring me down today.
and you know, we've been told something similar growing up Christian, that we were created in the image and likeness of God, that we're perfect just the way we are, and there's really nothing we need to do to change. I wish the people that told me that had a conversation with my parents, because they don't think that at all. If I were to tell my parents that when I was in high school, I'm pretty sure they would spend the whole night telling me why I wasn't perfect. You see how confusing this is? It's like these people don't communicate with each other. It can only make us wonder, are we not getting something here? When we look at the world, let alone where we live, it doesn't take an expert to realize there's some pretty crazy stuff going on. Pollution at the beaches, on the freeways, downtown San Diego, wildfires, some of which are actually arson. If we're so perfect and created in God's image, why does any of this happen? You know, unless being created in God's image means polluting and setting half of San Diego County on fire. If we're so perfect and created in God's image, why do we treat each other so horribly? Racism, discrimination, let alone judging people by what we see, what they wear, how they act. If we're so perfect and created in God's image, why are we all so different? Why do some people prefer some things over others? Coke over Pepsi, Marvel over DC, literally any movie created over the newest Star Wars trilogy. I'm just kidding. We love you guys too. Not really. If we're so perfect and created in the image of God, why do we want to change? Work out more, be healthier, be more attractive. If you're also as confused as I am, join us this month as we get into what it really means to be created in the image and likeness of God. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you guys won't miss out as we dissect this topic. To sign up for our group, just click the link in the description so you guys won't miss out to join our group and weigh in on the discussion. And as always, see you guys on the next one.